If I tell you, you can build your own AI research agent where you will just have to give the topic, the AI will search it and give a detailed report on your CRM. And you know the best part, no coding is required. If you are ready, let's get into it. So this is the framework that we are going to use in today's video. So this is a chat agent that we will build inside N8N, and for the AI research, we are going to use Perplexity, which is the best tool in the market for research kind of stuff. And after we have researched what we need, we will drop it into our CRM. In this case, we are using Google Sheets as our CRM. So let's get started. Inside N8N, you can see this plus icon. Just click on the plus icon and you are going to see a lot of triggers. In this wireframe, we have like selected the chat module. So in here, we also have to find the chat module. So here you can see it trigger manually on app event, on a schedule, on webhook call, on form submission when executed by another server, on chat list. So this is the one we have to select. But if you have any other use case, you can select whatever you want. So like, we will proceed in this with on chat message. So after you have selected this, you don't have to change any of this. You just have to click back to canvas. So our chat agent is ready. And now we have to click on this plus icon, and now we have to select our AI agent that will be the mastermind, that will be the brain of this whole workflow. So here you can see AI. So we will click that. And here you can see AI agent. So you have to click this. So you don't have to change any of these. It's already pre-selected. You have to go back to canvas. Now you can see you can add a chat model. You can add a memory. You can add a tool with it. For the chat model, if we click on this plus icon, you can see a lot of chat models: Anthropic chat model, Azure OpenAI chat model, AWS Cohere, DeepSeek, Google Gemini, Grok, Mistral, Llama, Open Router. Out of all these, I generally use this OpenAI chat model, and you can choose any of these you like. It's based on like, it depends on you. So here you can see credential to connect with. So yeah, I have already connected my account. But if you want to create if you want to create a new credential, you just have to click this create new credential, and you have to paste this API key. Where you will find this API key, you have to go platform.openai.com, and inside there you will get your API key. But you have to recharge your wallet with credit, or else you won't be able to retrieve the API key. So after you are done pasting your API key, you just have to hit save, and that's it. Your connection is secure. And for the model, I'm going to use GPT 4.1 here because it's very good. It's very fast, so I will use it. And then we will go back to canvas, and here we can choose memory, and this memory node is used for the memory capacity for this AI agent. So for this we don't require this memory node, but if you are making some AI agent that requires memory, so you better click on this plus icon, and then you can go with this simple memory, which works fine, which is absolutely good. And here you can you can change the context window length. Context window length means that how many conversations the AI will remember from the past. And here you can select how many messages you want the agent to remember, and then you just have to click this back to canvas. But for this, I'm not using any memory because we don't need this memory at this current agent. So here you can see there's a tool module. You just have to click plus, and for the tool we are going to use is Perplexity. I have told you earlier that it is the best for researching kind of stuff. So we will select Perplexity, this Perplexity tool, and you can see that message of model in Perplexity. So here what you have to do, you have to like create a credential. So how you can create a credential? You just have to click this create a credential, create new credential, and here you have to paste the API key. Where you will find the API key, you have to just go to your Perplexity account. So I have this pro account, so then you have to click on the account button, and then you can see there is an API button. You just have to click that, and it will take you to the API group, and then you just have to go to the API billing, and you have to put some credits in order to grab the API key. So first you just have to connect your card, and that's it. So here you can see I have recharged $5 and now I will go to this API key. And here I will generate a API key, accept terms and generate API key. So I have to name it. So I will name it N8N YouTube. N8N testing YouTube. Create. Then I will click on this copy and then I will paste it into my N8N. Then I will paste it into my N8N. I have to hit save. Connection tested successfully. So here you will click this back. And in the tool description, you don't have to change anything for the operation method and model. For the model, you can see there are a lot of models. So we will click on this plus icon, perplexity model. And here on the first link, you just have to open this. This is the perplexity document. So here you can see for the search, there are this two like research agents. This sonar. This sonar is the lightweight, cost-effective search model with grounding. Sonar Pro advanced search offering with grounding. For the reasoning, Sonar Reasoning and Sonar Reasoning Pro, fast real-time reasoning model designed for more problem solving with search. Precise reasoning offering powered by DeepSeek R1 with chain of thoughts. And for this research, we can see that Sonar Deep Research. So we have a need of this research agent. So we will check out, we will so now we will go back to our N8N and then we will click on this Sonar Deep Research. Just first we have to select this system message and then you have to paste this prompt. Don't worry, I will give you this prompt in my free resources down in the description. So make sure you check that out. And here you will see more messages and now you will select the role to user and you will click on this AI icon. So it will be automatically defined by the model. Now we will go back to canvas and then we will hit save. So now what we will do, so first we will open this chat and now I will type some hi. So here you can see our AI agent is like searching and it gave us a reply. Hello, how can I assist you today? So, so here you can see our model is researching inside perplexity. So let's say it generally takes some time because it deep research it. So I will get back to you when it's done. So now our research is completed and here you can see it ran for 2 minutes and 39 seconds. So now we will see what research it have gathered. So here's the detailed summary. Government initiatives, indigenous AI models, startup ecosystem, sectoral application, talent development, state level efforts, cyber security challenge and outlook in summary. 2024 was a landmark year for AI ecosystem. For India's AI ecosystem marked by robust government, rapid startup growth, localized AI model development, and expanding sectors application. These combined efforts position India as a rising leader in AI innovation and development. So yeah, now it's good. So we will hide the chat and now here we can see we will click on this model. So here you can see it have researched about or it have researched all these websites. It's a lot. So now we will click back to canvas and here you can see this plus icon. So we will click on this plus icon. Basically, you can connect it to any CRM that you want. As you can like connect your Gmail module and you can send a Gmail and you can send this report to a Gmail and you can make a PDF out of it and you can also send it to Slack or anything and basically anything. So basically our research agent runs and now I will go back to Perplexity and I will show you how much credit it charged me to give a report on that research. And here you can see 4.99. Okay, let me refresh it. So here you can see it cost me around $1.50, which is basically very cheap. If you want to do it manually, it will take you hours, which I have just shown you in a couple of minutes. And here I will go back to my AI agent and now it's basically done. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and I will share all the free resources, all the prompts and all the website links in my free resources. You can check that out in my description below. And make sure to like this video if this video really helps you. I'll make sure to create more of this content that will benefit you in the longer run. A quick intro of myself. I'm Sumujit. I'm the founder of Spexora AI. Spexora AI is my AI automation agent wherein we create AI agents and smart workflows for businesses. Thank you for giving this time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next one.